Guys, ayan na po ang sinasabi ng Revelation 13, 17 to 18. Kaya maghanda na kayo, mga taong may Kristo sa puso.
Dahil sa ikaw ay aking lingkod, isipin mo ito. Ginawa kita para maglingkod sa akin. Hindi kita kalilimutan. Ang mga kasalanan mo'y parang ulap o ambon na pinaglaho ko na.
You still don't think we're living in the last days? Watch this.
This is a developmental system made by MC10, and it has an antenna and some sensors embedded in it. And what we plan to do is...
Stop scrolling. This is very important. Not many people are addressing this, but I'm going to address it right now. Thousands of Christians are being killed all over the world. Over 100,000 Christians killed in Nigeria.
Ayaw! Ayaw!